And if you don't get that camera on my face so close.
Okay. Now we're making slime right here. It actually works. Slime, you know.
You can let them watch you play with it for a bit. A bit.
So you gotta use cornstarch and this detergent.
Over here. Don't use this one. That's the wrong one. This is the good one. Detergent.
And you stir it.
Right. And this is what it start will look like, but if it gets liquidy, then you add more of that good cornstarch.
Just keep on stirring it for now. We'll come back in a minute.
Getting chunks. Breathe, look, we're getting chunks. Turn it back on. Okay, so we're back, and
it was already on, but alright.
And this is what's supposed to be looking like right here. Now, and then you can touch it, and if it gets like this, then you have to roll it up and then put it in the freezer for 1 minute.
Wait, you don't have to put it in the freezer.
I saw a girl do this.
Okay, we'll roll it up. So before, I'll show you after how it should look right here. All soft and smooth. Know what I'm saying? And you see, that's how it should look.
It's supposed to look just a little bit too soft, don't you think?
No, thank you. Let's add it in to the stuff. We're trying to make a giant. These are 2 different colors.
You can easily tell.
Who cares? Mix it in. Yeah, but hold on.
I'm making a YouTube video so it can go viral.
Because it actually works, you know. Look. Oh my god, it actually works.
And you squeeze it for a bit.
May I please have it, Miss Ashley, so I can throw it in with the rest?
Yes, you may.
Feels. We're trying to make a giant one.
Right.
Just split it and take it home.
So I can give her the code.
Oh, look at the colors.
So I can make her to go Ziploc bag and give it to her. Guys, we might mess around and like make a big one, and we like make a big giant one, even though we split it up. Cause you guys don't know how many days we try to make this. Here.
You gotta put actually works, because if not, then I'm not gonna watch it. Oh yeah, wait. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. We should do the hot knife challenge and like cut it. Kidding.
Oh my god. No, that's too dangerous.
Oh, okay.
Alright, and there we go. And now we're gonna set it in there for 1 minute. I'm gonna set my
timer.
Yeah. Great.
And bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.